The best day of my life. Everything wonderful has happened for me all day and all night and all day. Today, I get everything I want. Everything I want, I get it today. Everything I need, I already have it today. Today, I manifest everything that I've been trying to manifest all this time. All of my dreams have come true. I feel wonderful. I feel amazing. I feel fantastic. I feel magnificent. I feel like today is the best day of my life. I feel like everything is just working out for me. Everything always works out for me. Every situation in my life, every aspect in my life always works out for me in a fantastic way. Everything always works out for me in the best way possible to deliver to me the most happiness, love, joy, success, prosperity, wealth, and abundance of money and happiness and great health mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, emotionally. Every situation in my life, every aspect of my life, I always have everything work out for me to bring me the greatest of every outcome possible for me. I feel wonderful. I feel loved and I feel appreciated. I feel happy. I feel safe. I feel secure. I feel like I could manifest whatever I want, whenever I want to. I know that I can manifest everything I want, whenever I want to. I know that I already have manifested everything I need, and I already have everything I need here and now immediately. I know that I am rich. I know that I am wealthy. I know that every situation always works out for me to bring me the greatest outcome possible. I know that I am loved and I know that I am appreciated. I know that I feel fantastic. I know that today is the best day of my life. I am so grateful and thankful for this beautiful life that I have the privilege of living. I feel so grateful and so thankful for my family and my loved ones. I feel so grateful and so thankful that I've always been able to manifest everything I want and desire and need whenever I wanted to do so. I feel so grateful that I know about the law of attraction and the law of assumption. I know how to use these tools to bring forth the life of my dreams, to live the life of my dreams. I am so thankful and grateful that the God in me has delivered so much joy and beauty into my life and continues to do so infinitely. I'm so grateful and thankful that I always get everything I want when I want it, and I always have everything I need when I need it. I'm so thankful and grateful for beautiful places like this that make me feel so wonderful. I'm so thankful and grateful for the air I breathe and the land I walk on. I'm so thankful and grateful for the food I eat and the water I drink. I'm so thankful and grateful for this beautiful life I live and every aspect of it. Today is the greatest day of my life, and wonderful things are happening to and for me all day and all night and all day. And I thank the God in me, the divine spirit, and the ancestors for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.